And we're recording. Welcome back, everyone, to another trade recap. And we are here with GBPJPY. You guys know the drill. So, this trade I took yesterday, Monday, London session. So let's get right into this trade recap. So, coming up, we were bullish on the 4 hourly and we were also bullish on the 1 hourly. As we can see, London session opens, we mark out 30 minutes highs and lows. So we immediately get a sweep of Asia session highs, and we've already confirmed bullish 5-minute structure. Now I was waiting for equilibrium, fair value gap, order block, or a breaker block. We had an order block here, we had a fair value gap here, and we had equilibrium here. Fair value gap as well. However, none of these confluences got hit. So I'm going to clear all these out. And this is kind of where the trade started to fuck up, and we'll get more into detail soon. So all these did not hit. I waited for a new high to form. A new low, then a new high. And we created more equilibrium, which that didn't hit. And then after this, we created more equilibrium. That didn't hit. And then we created this low and then this high, in which this eventually hit. So I bought 1 minute buying pressure. I bought long out of here. Now this is where I kind of went wrong, in a sense, and I'll explain. So stops just underneath equilibrium, just underneath these lows. And then we see price consolidating, then it pushes up. It gets pretty close to take profit. However, it dumps. Then what I did was I noticed that on the 15-minute time frame, this was actually a break of structure, as we can see right here. We broke structure. We broke past the most recent low, which was right there, which led me to believe that this trade was going to get invalidated. Throughout the whole trade, I was pretty calm, but this made me think, okay, the trade's probably going to get invalidated. We probably missed the move. So I just took out. So I'm not even going to call this a win. I know technically I was still in profit. In my opinion, this was a terrible trade. One, poor psychology. I mean, I wouldn't say it was an emotional thing in the sense that I was like scared. It was more so, it was more calculated, like with 15-minute broke structure. So I took it out roughly here, and then we can literally see as soon as this candlestick finished, price shot all the way back up. So this was probably a small pullback. Now improvements for this trade, I will be very honest. I think if the move goes like so high and I don't see any confirmation, like we only see confirmation really, 45 minutes in after this huge move up, that probably tells me that it may not be worth the trade. I wouldn't say this is a terrible setup, but it's definitely not an A+ setup. If you guys look at my old trade recaps, the setups tend to be pretty good. This setup, however, was pretty shit, I'll be honest. Not the best trade. Look, I was staying calm. I don't even want to say I was being patient, because the fact that I took out this trade tells me I was not being patient. But I think that's just me being a bit hard on myself. We did get stuck in drawdown. I did not really get too worried about that though, mainly because I was trying to have a good psychology. But in terms of next time, I think it's very important that I literally just ensure that I don't buy or sell, whatever, when this big move's already happened. It probably wasn't a smart idea, to be honest with you. But that's all right. We're literally it's currently 4:18 and market is going to open in 40 minutes almost. But yeah, guys, that was a trade recap. It's a bit of a short one. It's a bit rushed. I'm sorry. But yeah, that was it. Pretty much what I can take from this is to not rush, and if a big move's already happened, it's probably worth it just to sit out. Yes, I got a win, but I'm not even going to consider this a win. Like, look at that risk to reward. Like, that's not even a trade, man. This is just me. This is just stupid. That's just stupid. I'm being hard on myself, but I'm also being realistic. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Just a heads up, I'm not going to be trading Wednesday or Thursday. So tomorrow and Thursday, I won't be trading, and most likely Friday. I might trade tonight. We'll see how the setup goes. So this might be the only trade recap you guys see for the week. Yeah, I'm just putting it out there. Yeah. But that was it. I know it's a short one and it wasn't very descriptive, but there's not really much else to say. Just that I messed up with this trade. But it's a learning improve. It's learning. I'm learning to improve. What? That made no sense, bro. You know what I mean? I'm trying to get better. And what I took away from this is, yeah, if the big move happens, probably not worth it. And I should have trusted the 4 hourly and 1 hourly bias. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next trading recap. Thank you.